Okay, so today I'm going to talk about 3 misconceptions that can really derail your organizing progress. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all of my organizing tips, tricks, and strategies to hopefully help you gain a little more organization in your home. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about 3 misconceptions that can really derail your organizing goals. So let's jump right in. Number 1 is thinking that decluttering is the same thing as organizing. Decluttering refers to purging the extra, getting rid of it, tossing it, donating it, whittling everything you have down when you have too much. Then you go to organize it. Organizing is the process that comes after the decluttering. Organization often refers to finding the simplest way to get a job done. Misconception number 2 is thinking that something that is tidy is organized. Now, tidying refers to the appearance of something looking neat. Organization is the function of that area. And sometimes the most organized space may not be perfectly tidy like you see on Pinterest. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Beautiful, tidy picture of an office. Now, while this photo is beautifully tidy, it is nowhere near an organized system. They're showing a Mac in this picture. Now, I've owned a Mac for the last 20 years, and I have never had a Mac that you didn't have to plug in. And if you notice in this photo, there are no cords to that Mac. There's not even an outlet for it to be plugged into. Same thing goes for the charger in this photo. If you look at the charger, it's not plugged into anything. There's also no garbage can or shredder to be found, something that's crucial to an office. I don't see any place for files or paperwork to be found. So in this photo, the function is missing. So the organization is missing. So that is a very tidy picture. It is not organized. So don't fall into that misconception of something that looks tidy is an organized solution for you, because they're not. And the third conception I want to share with you in this video is that thinking that organization is the perfect solution. Organization is something that will be constantly evolving in your life. So if you set up some organized system that's perfect for you today, I can guarantee you a few years down the road, that organization is going to kind of fall apart. It's not going to work as well anymore. And that's because we are evolving. One perfect example is with children. You set up a beautifully organized system when they're young, and as they grow out of that system. Their needs and their wants and their day-to-day life and habits change. And that organized system that worked perfectly when they were toddlers no longer works for them now that they are in middle school. And the same thing will happen when they become teenagers or young adults. The systems you set up when they were in middle school will no longer serve them in the same way. We are like that as adults too. Sometimes an organized system worked when we were single, and it doesn't work when we're married. It worked for me before I had kids, but now it doesn't work with kids. It worked in this house, but it may not work with that house. So just keep in mind that organization will not be a one-time thing that'll work perfectly the rest of your life. You will always need to tweak and maybe just totally change it out depending on your circumstances. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 3 misconceptions of organizing that can derail your progress. So keep those in mind next time you have an organizing project, so you can set up systems that match your personality, your habits, your daily life, how you roll. I hope you found the information I shared in this video helpful. If you did, please remember, before you go, click that like button below, because it really helps out my channel. And while you're clicking away down there, why don't you click on the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Take care. See you next time. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.